Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a Facebook cover of a page of a shoe business in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, we're going to take a template. For that, I'm going to create a new file and click on New. And here I'll be selecting the width for 1640 and the height will be 624. Just click on Create. We have the template for our cover. Now let's create a background design. For that, I'm going to take a new layer. Now I'm going to add the gradient. Now select the gradient. Yeah, this one looks good. Now click on OK. Now again, I'm going to take a new layer. Now here I'm going to put the shoe image that I have. And I'm going to place it here. I'm going to resize this. I'm going to flip it. And this looks good. Click on this tick mark. And here we have the shoe image. Now let's create a shadow under this. For that, I'm going to take a brush tool. And I'm going to select this. And make the brush like this. I'm going to reduce the flow. And the hardness to 0. I'm going to take a new layer. Yes, this looks good now. Now I'm going to merge these two layers. I'm going to lock this layer now and create a new layer. Now let's start designing the other part. For that, I'm going to use the pen tool. Now I'm going to right click on this and click on make selection. I'll add the radius to 1.1 pixel and click on OK. Now I'm going to use the marquee tool and right click on here and select inverse. I will add the solid gradient of this color and hit OK. Now let's add the text and the other items for our cover design. For that, I'm going to use the rectangle tool and create a rectangle like this. I'm going to reduce the corners. And again, I'm going to select the ellipse tool and create a circle. I'm going to remove the fill and add the stroke to the yellow color and increase the stroke to like 8. Yeah, this looks good. Now we have these two elements with us. Now you can add the text. Just click on here Now let's group this two together and bring it here and click on transform to put it something like here. Click on OK. On this part you can add your own logo design if you have any. Now let's continue with the design. Now we'll finish up the design. You can add your social media here. I'm going to take a copy of this and put it right here. Here you can write your website, and here you can add your phone number, and here you can add your social media handle. You can add some little dots as well. And take a copy of this. I'm going to group this together and take a copy of this group. And again, I'm going to take a copy of this group and place it down here. And there you go. Now you have the design for your Now here you have a design for your Facebook covered photo for your show business in Photoshop. If you have any questions regarding these, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.